Which two Indian companies have been listed under the Pioneer category in Time's 100 Most Influential Companies of this year? A. Meesho and Amazon. B. Meesho and NPCI. C. Nykaa and Mamaearth. D. NPCI and Baby Hug. Right answer is B. Meesho and NPCI. Which country has recently agreed to provide market access to India's steel and aluminium products? A. Japan. B. United Kingdom. C. United Arab Emirates. D. United States of America. Right answer is D. United States of America. Which Indian city is home to the Medha Rail Coach Factory, the largest private coach factory in the country? A. Hyderabad. B. Ahmedabad. C. Mumbai. D. Ajmer. Right answer is A. Hyderabad. Who has authored the book titled India's Finance Minister, From Independence to Emergency, 1947 to 1977? A. Arundhati Roy. B. Manmohan Singh. C. Ashok Kumar Bhattacharya. D. Nisha Rawal. Right answer is C. Ashok Kumar Bhattacharya. Where was the Intersolar Europe 2023 exhibition recently held? A. France. B. Russia. C. Austria. D. Germany. Right answer is D. Germany. Which organization has been recognized by Team Marksmen as the most preferred workplace of 2023 to 1924? A. NTPC Limited. B. BAIL. C. GAIL. D. IHAL. Right answer is A. NTPC Limited. Which Indian player has won the gold medal in the 500m roller skating race at the ongoing Special Olympics World Games in Berlin? A. Radha. B. Pooja. C. Saraswati. D. Anjali. Right answer is C. Saraswati. Which country has been chosen as the chair for the Standing Committee on Integrated Pest Management (IPM) of the Asia Pacific Plant Protection Commission? A. India. B. Japan. C. USA. D. Indonesia. Right answer is A. India. With which Indian state has Paytm Payment Services Limited collaborated to foster the startup ecosystem? A. Uttar Pradesh. B. Maharashtra. C. Himachal Pradesh. D. Arunachal Pradesh. Right answer is D. Arunachal Pradesh. Which football player has received a Guinness World Record after reaching 200 international caps for Portugal? A. Cristiano Ronaldo. B. João Moutinho. C. Bernardo Silva. D. Ruben Neves. Right answer is A. Cristiano Ronaldo.